Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna make trending jumping box. It's easy and simple to make. Close the picture. 2-layer cake and a box. For that you need a 10 into 10 centimeter cardboard, 5 pieces, rubber band 4, fevicol, scissors, stick, color paper. Now take 13 into 13 centimeter color paper and a cardboard, place it together, then cut 4 corners like this, then cover 3 corners using fevicol. Repeat this on 3 cardboard. Now paste it like a plus sign and keep another cardboard inside, then fold it together, then cover with color paper, back, cover it with color paper. Now mark X on 4 corners. Mark midpoint, repeat on 4 sides, then put a hole like this, then turn back, take rubber band, fold it like this, make sure it's elastic, then join 2 sides like this, and then place a stick to hold it. Repeat on other side like this, then fold it. Now a cardboard 13 into 13 centimeter. Paste it using fevicol, then cut 4 corners like this and fold it. The box is ready. Now we're gonna make cake using paper. Take 12 into 12 centimeter, fold it like this, vertically and horizontally, and then diagonally like this and like this. Now fold inward. Then mark midpoint and fold up and down. Now open it and fold it like this. Repeat on the other side. Same process, up and down, and then open it. And then cover it. Then open to make a square like this. Repeat on 4 sides. Then fold it. Repeat on fourth side. Then open it. Like this. Take another paper, then stick together. Put on other paper, then take a chart, make a circle, then apply Fevicol. Base is ready. Place another paper, stick together. For top, I'm using 6 cm paper. Then for candle, I'm folding like this. And for light, I'm using yellow color. And place it on top. For decoration, I'm using stone and stickers. Now cake is ready. Then take a box. Apply Fevicol and place it on top. Then fold it. Now open the box. Now jumping box is ready. You can either use cake, teddy bear, cartoon, pictures for jumping box. For watching KK Art Universe, do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.